With the rapid development of China's e-commerce economy, more and more foreign expats in Haikou, that's China's Hainan province, are engaging in live streaming to keep up with the trend.
我觉得现在呢，这个主播，然后这个我们的线上销售呢，是非常的受欢迎，所以呢，我想要多了解一下这方面的知识，我才可以往这个方向去发展，发展的特别快，所以一定要抓紧时间多学习学习，做自己的。我打算当网红，我希望呢从日常记录开始。回去一趟我们的家乡，然后呢，给中国的朋友们看一下我的美丽的家乡，美丽的贝加尔湖，然后呢，给我们的中国朋友们展示一下我们的俄罗斯的文化。希望呢，我们的粉丝就是上来了以后呢，我们就可以带货，买一些产品。
Because the world is moving from, the normal traditional way of shopping to e-commerce. Many shops are already online. So if you are still in the traditional way of doing things, then the world has left you behind. China's e-commerce economy is really developed, very developed, and it's very convenient. Whatever you buy online, the next day it comes. And if you don't like it, you can return it because the population of China is really huge. And I think China is moving higher and higher every day. China e-commerce will continue to develop. That's what I believe in because everyone is learning from it. My plan for next year is to sell products from my country, especially palm oil. So I will open an account next year.